Good morning, friends. Today we have got an interesting personality, a young professional in a very important business area of supply chain management, whom I'm going to have a chit chat, and we're going to understand, learn from him about his business. Welcome, Mr. Taufiq Kapadia. Taufiq is a supply chain management professional, and Taufiq, you have got into an area which is very fast growing area in India, supply chain management. So tell us something about your background and how did you get into this area?
Basically, I am a commerce graduate, and after that I have done my MBA in supply chain and logistics from NIBM Chennai.
Yeah.
And from last 13 years I am working in various industries, FMCG, packaging, exports of garments and etc.
Okay.
So my core area is into procurement, supply chain and related activities.
Okay. So Taufiq, what is the company that you are working for?
I am working for a UK based packaging company.
Okay.
Which we have a plant in Birmingham, UK.
Uh-huh.
I am sitting in India office.
Uh-huh.
Our headquarters is in Dubai.
Uh-huh.
So in short, you can say it's like global operations.
Oh.
I'm sitting in India, my bosses are sitting in Dubai, and I work for a plant in UK.
Oh, I see. That's wonderful. So that means it's a virtual operation. It's a global virtual operation. That's what we keep on hearing about, we keep on reading about. And now that the global boundaries have expanded or the local boundaries of the countries have vanished, so this is what you are in that area. So that's very wonderful and that's very interesting. Tell us something more about your operations. That means you are here in India looking after all back office operations. The bosses are sitting in Dubai. Product is manufactured in UK. Clients and customers are in UK and Europe. So this is a huge global network that you have created, and then you are managing it from India. Now in that scenario, what do you think could be your core challenge? Because it's a huge wide world that you are operating in without any physical boundaries. So what is the challenge, one challenge that you could tell us?
Since everything is automated and we are working on a world-class ERP and this thing, so I don't find any challenge. But the basic and major challenge which I feel is the human touch.
Okay.
Some issues are there that human touch is missing. We are coordinating on emails, video chats, video conferences, audio calls, conference, but that one-to-one touch is missing. These are the basic challenge I'm facing.
I see. So this is something very interesting, that there are no boundaries in terms of countries, and he doesn't have to worry about passports, and he doesn't have to worry about how to move from one place to other place, because it's all connected with the computer terminal that you are operating at various places, various destinations in the world. But yes, I understand that you are missing that human touch. Sometimes you want to talk to your colleagues, and sometimes you want to have discussions, and sometimes you have to have some pranks and fights and whatnot. So you are missing on that part. I can understand that, Taufiq. But Taufiq, this area of supply chain management is becoming very important, and our country also is, or the government is also taken a lot of initiatives in improving infrastructure for supply chain. I see that there are a lot of new startups which are coming in e-tailing and logistics. So supply chain becomes an important function there. Now for entrepreneurs and such startups, what advice as a professional you would like to give?
I would suggest all the startups and existing entrepreneurs that don't ignore the supply chain.
Yes.
As you say, the finance is the lifeblood of the business, and you focus on marketing activities. Supply chain is also a backbone of your business.
Okay.
Unless you don't have a sound system of supply chain, your business will not survive, and it will not go to a greater heights.
Yeah.
So I suggest you focus importantly and go hand in hand with other departments. It's not a department. Supply chain is basically a process. It's a mechanism.
Yes, it's a mechanism, and I think that now companies are taking that as important as the philosophy of the company. So that is what Taufiq, if the youngsters, the students who are doing the supply chain management program or so, if they would like to get in touch with you or want their advice, then as your name